One of very interesting questions that we get is what happens if I want to use Tsaishen but don't have MetaMask? And today we're going to take a look at sort of what happens. As you can see, here we are on the Tsaishen website, right? And without the MetaMask, you can see that there's no accounts being used whatsoever. When you click on portfolio, there's nothing, like you won't be able to see anything. Even if there are properties listed, you won't be able to see anything. So the easiest thing that you can do is click on Blockchain Connect. You will see this little guy pop up that says, hey, you don't have a wallet. Let's get you a wallet. So we're going to install a MetaMask, which is actually the most popular and free browser wallet called MetaMask. You're going to go and click on that. Right over here, you're going to click on download, right? And you're going to install the MetaMask, and here are the different browsers that it supports, right? Sure. And now you can actually add the MetaMask right over here, and here we go. It's checking, and if you're a brand new user, as soon as it's done checking, is being added. As you can see, you can get started. And so if you already have a wallet, this is where you're going to need the seed phrase. But if you've never used MetaMask before, don't have it, you're just going to create a wallet right over here. Make sure you read through this, click on agree. You're going to set a password for your wallet. Make sure that you keep that thing hidden so it is not long enough. Okay. Make sure that it's long enough, and you're going to click on create. Okay. Now it's going to give you the secret words, right? You're going to click that. You're not going to do it on camera. You're going to write those puppies down. And for this one, we're just going to go and say, all right, remind me later. And here we go. Now I actually have the Foxy guy. So when I come over here now to Tsaishen and I come in, and see MetaMask actually pops up and says, hey, do you want to connect with Tsaishen? And you will basically say yes. You will click on next. You will connect. And there you go. Your account is being used. Now you have an account. You know what it is. And you can go in, then upload and be able to see what's in marketplace, what's in portfolio, and be able to use the site completely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.